Hello everyone, this is Todd Sadowski. I serve as an advisor as well as CEO of StrongTower Wealth Management, and I'm going to walk you through a nice little tool that we've made available to not just our clients but anybody actually that has interest in this. But this is a great tool to do a few things. First of all, it allows you to pull all your financial resources into one place. Such a great tool. For me personally, I use this all the time because I want to be able to see my own investments. I want to see my bank accounts. I want to be able to see things like our mortgage, or also my wife's 401k at work. It allows me to pull all that data into one place, and personally, when I went through this process, within 15 minutes I had every one of my accounts linked so that I have one secure place to be able to view everything. So very, very handy. If you want to be good with your money, make good financial decisions, and you kind of have to have a good overall view of what's where. So let me just walk you through the process of how you enter this information into the software. So you'll be taken to this page when you begin to register. So just real quickly, we'll just say our email is testing@strongtowerwealth.com. You can then set your password, first and last name. We'll say this is John Test, and click Create Account. Once you've done that, it'll just take you through the 6-step process. Now, each of these 6 steps, you will not have to do each of them. It's up to you how much you provide. If you simply want to be able to pull together your financial data into one place, you can skip to the net worth page. Now, why would you want to add more information? If you'd like us to be working on a retirement plan for you to show you what it's going to take to be able to retire comfortably or save up for college needs, maybe do estate planning, reduce taxes. This is an in-depth financial planning software, so it does a lot more than just pulls your resources together. In this particular case, though, again, we don't have to enter all this information. We can just skip directly to the net worth page. Now here you have 2 different options. You can add an account manually. That's not my preferred way of doing things, but what that would do is you could click bank account, for example, and just say we have a checking account, and we're going to manually put in that we have, let's say, $15,000 in there, and click save. Now the problem is that's just a static entry. That's not real time. It doesn't actually know how much we have. That's not what we're interested in, so I'm going to delete that for now. The real beauty of this program is when you link accounts. So when you link an account, it brings you to this page here, and you can see some of the most common firms that you might have. Maybe you've got a mortgage at Wells Fargo, or you've got a bank account at Bank of America, or maybe you've got a 401k with Fidelity. You can click on any one of these and that'll start the process, or you can begin to enter the name of the firm you're with. So for example, let's say somebody is with Thrift Savings Plan. You can see that brings up Thrift Savings Plan as an option. And then all you have to do is put in your, in this case, your account number. Normally it's going to ask for your login and your password with Thrift Savings Plan. It does want your account number, or you can choose user ID and then your password. Once you've entered those, it'll successfully add and link your account, giving you a real-time balance. Obviously, you can also click on any of these. So like Fidelity, that's where my wife's 401k is. I can click there and it gives me that option. I can put in, again, login and password, and it'll add that. So you can add mortgages. You can also add credit cards if you want. In fact, if you add credit cards, you can even access the budgeting feature of this software program. But real quick, you just start entering those in. Once in a while, it'll give you more than one option. So if I click link account, and maybe, let's see if I can just guess one. Let's type Fidelity. And you can see there's multiple Fidelity options. Normally it's going to be the top of the list, or the one that has the web address that seems most likely to fit. So fidelity.com, for example. But that's it. Once you've got them all entered in and you go to the very last page here and hit complete, just like that, you'll have all of your assets and liabilities accessible to you in one place. My favorite way to access this information is not through this particular website, although this is a place that you can turn to. You can download a Write Capital app on your smartphone, and then right from your phone you can pull up this information anytime. It'll give you all your assets, all your liabilities, and your net worth. So that's it, not much to it. If you have any problems at all, of course, just let us know. We'd be glad to help you through the process.